Well, viewers, now I'm going to teach you how to make dialogue. Okay? And seeing this class, you will be able to make dialogue yourself. Look, you know that we are learning simple present tense. We are learning simple present tense. Already I have finished 4 classes, that is statement sentence in positive form, statement sentence in negative form, question sentence and negative, interrogative and interrogative sentence. Okay, learning these things will be able to make dialogue. Well, so in today's class, in this class, I have selected 2 verbs, that is verb to read and verb to watch. Verb to read and verb to watch. Okay, very good. I think please follow my class very attentively, and then you will be able to gain the opportunity from the class. Okay, so I'm going to start the class. I have selected 2 speakers, that is speaker A and speaker B. Speaker A and speaker B. Well, dear viewers, please don't leave me. Stay with me, stay connected with me and learn English. Okay, well, speaker A is talking his activity, that means evening activity, with his partner, speaker B. Well, okay, so before this, I would like to say, please watch our channel and subscribe it for more notification, give like and share our class. Okay, well, speaker A is talking with B, his evening activity. Well, evening activity. Well, in the evening, I read books. I don't watch television. Do you read books? If B answers positively, then formal answer will be, yes, I do. I read books. Yes, I do. I read books. If the answer is negative, then B will say, no, I don't. I don't read books. Okay, then speaker A is talking about his sister's activity, evening activity. Okay, listen again. My sister watches television. My sister doesn't read books. Does your sister read books? Yes, the answer is, if the answer is positive, then formal answer will be, yes, she does. My sister reads books. My sister reads books. Reads books. If the answer is negative, the question is, does your sister read books? Now I'm saying about the negative answer. No, she doesn't. My sister doesn't read books. Then again, speaker A, what he is saying, listen. Doesn't your sister watch television? Doesn't your sister watch television? If the answer is positive, formal, yes, she does. This part is formal, positive answer. If you want to say the rest of the part, there is full sentence, then you can say, yes, she does. My sister watches television. Okay? Then negative formal answer would be, no, she doesn't. No, she doesn't. My sister doesn't watch television. That means, doesn't your sister watch television? No, she doesn't. My sister doesn't watch television. Okay, dear viewers, please practice English. I have selected two verbs, that is verb to read and verb to watch. You select another two verbs as you like, then try to make dialogue following my dialogue, following the dialogue given by Wisdom Institute. Okay? Please watch our channel, I'm saying you again, and try to translate these sentences into your mother tongue. Then you'll be able to understand English easily. You'll be able to speak English. You will be able to share your knowledge reading any article. Okay? Your listening power will be developed. Okay? Goodbye. Thank you.